You, what up? Today I want to record myself changing the battery of my watch for the first time. It shows that it's 12:15, but it's actually 9:40 p.m. So I got my tools ready. I borrowed it from my dad. I don't know which one would help, but anyways, I just got all of them. And okay, I talked to the sellers and he told me that it's easy to change the battery, so I want to try it by myself. Let's get started. I think I will be picking up a 2.5 to start it with. First of all, I put these things out to make it stop. Now it's time for me to open the bag of it. I have something underneath it. I think I'm on the right track. Usually I can feel the click and then you're just pushing it harder, but I didn't feel that. I cannot see. Oh, now I get it. It's not supposed to be on top of this. It's good. No, I don't think I can do this. Before we completely give up, let's take a look at what the seller told. Here's a video that I can take a look at. Okay, I think I'm on the right track. I just need to push it a little bit harder. Oh. I got it! Now let's do the battery change. I think I am amazing. Now it's 10:09. I fixed it. I just got a new skill. Okay, now it's time to put everything back.